One evening in Doha, a driver piloting a brand new Toyota Supra began performing high-speed drifting maneuvers on a major urban highway, weaving between moving vehicles and endangering the lives of fellow motorists. The reckless stunts were captured on multiple smartphones by stunned onlookers and hastily edited into a viral video shared across social media platforms before dawn, amassing millions of views within hours. When Qatar's Ministry of Interior reviewed the footage, it swiftly identified the vehicle's license plate and traced it back to its owner, initiating an immediate enforcement action under Article 49 of the traffic law, which stipulates fines of 10,000 to 50,000 Qatari riyals, approximately 2,700 to 13,700 US dollars, and imprisonment of up to 3 years for dangerous driving and public stunts on highways. Within hours, armed officers surrounded the Supra at the owner's residence and escorted both the driver and the vehicle to an impound lot for judicial seizure. In a highly publicized demonstration of zero tolerance, the ministry arranged for a heavy-duty claw excavator to lift the Supra and place it into a car crusher, reducing the once prized Sportscar to a compact metal block, while cameras rolled for official documentation. The dramatic destruction, broadcast on the ministry's verified X account, was intended as a stark warning. Any future infractions of this nature would be met with identical, uncompromising consequences. Public reaction was deeply divided. Many citizens applauded the government's firm stance, praising the move as essential for deterring dangerous behavior and preserving road safety, particularly during a period of rapid urban growth and increasing traffic density in Doha. However, critics argued that destroying a high-value vehicle worth over 70,000 US dollars could be viewed as excessive, suggesting that alternative penalties, such as mandatory community service or driver rehabilitation programs, might achieve similar deterrence without the irreversible loss of property. Legally, the driver now faces formal charges that carry up to 3 years of imprisonment and a financial penalty capped at 50,000 Qatari riyals, 13,700, or both under Qatar's traffic regulations. Authorities have indicated that any vehicles he owns in the future may also be subject to surveillance and swift impoundment should he violate traffic laws again. This striking episode underscores the Qatari government's commitment to road safety and the rule of law, sending a clear message that stunts endangering public welfare will not be tolerated. As authorities continue to promote awareness campaigns and enhance traffic enforcement, drivers in Doha are reminded that even momentary lapses in judgment can carry life-altering consequences.